friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking artichokes in the air fryer. So we just need 2 artichokes and seasonings. I'll use salt, pepper, fresh lemon, and olive oil. So first I'm going to cut off the stems of the artichokes. And then cut the other side as well. And now I'm going to cut them in half. And see, once you cut them in half, there is a fuzzy part. This is not edible. So if you can scoop it out. Now, you don't have to do it. You can scoop it out later after it's cooked, but if you can just do it now. So I'm just going to use a spoon to scrape that fuzzy part. And now let's season the artichokes. So I'm going to cut the lemon. And I'll just cut it into quarters and just squeeze lemon over the artichoke. And you can squeeze it over the other side as well. And now I'm going to brush the artichokes with olive oil. The easiest way to do it is just pour oil in a little dish and use the pastry brush to brush them all over. And now let's sprinkle artichokes with salt and pepper. And flip them over and season the other side as well. And now, once I season the artichokes, I'm going to put them in the air fryer basket. So I'm putting them cut side up. And let's put the basket in the air fryer. And I'm going to set the temperature to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm going to set the time to 15 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Here are perfectly roasted artichokes. They look amazing. This is a perfect, easy appetizer. It was so easy to make them. They look just like the grilled artichoke appetizer from a restaurant. Now let's try it. So see how easily they separate? So just take a leaf and use any dipping sauce you like. I'm just using melted butter, that's the easiest. You can also use mayo or any kind of dipping sauce for your grilled artichoke. So just dip a leaf. Delicious. Perfect. They taste so good. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!